Laptop stand review: adjustable, foldable, and ergonomic aluminum stand with heat dissipation. The laptop stand for MacBook is a sleek, durable, and highly functional accessory designed to enhance your workspace. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, this stand offers adjustable height and angle settings, excellent heat dissipation, and a foldable design for portability. Whether you're working on a MacBook, Dell XPS, HP, or any other 11 to 17-inch laptop, this stand ensures comfort, stability, and protection for your device. Key features: adjustable height and angle. Customize the height and angle to achieve the perfect ergonomic position, reducing strain on your neck, shoulders, and back. Heat dissipation design. The hollow design and aluminum alloy material promote natural airflow, preventing your laptop from overheating during extended use. Sturdy and durable build. Made from 4mm aluminum alloy, this stand can support up to 11 pounds, providing a stable and secure platform for your laptop. Foldable and portable. Easily fold the stand for storage or travel, making it a convenient accessory for home, office, or on-the-go use. Wide compatibility. Fits all 11 to 17-inch laptops, including MacBook Air Pro, Dell XPS, HP, ASUS, Lenovo ThinkPad, and more. Also compatible with tablets, phones, and books, 6 to 12.9 inches. Non-slip silicone pads. Protects your device from scratches and ensures it stays securely in place. Specifications. Material: aluminum alloy plus silicone. Product size: 290 by 200 by 25 to 310 mm, folded, compact and portable. Weight: for 50 grams, lightweight yet sturdy. Color: apple silver. Load capacity: up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms. Style: folding design. What's included? 1 laptop stand. 1 user manual. Why choose this laptop stand? Ergonomic design, reduces strain and promotes better posture during long work sessions. Heat management, keeps your laptop cool and prevents performance issues caused by overheating. Portability, foldable design makes it easy to carry and store. Versatility, compatible with a wide range of devices, from laptops to tablets and phones. Upgrade your workspace. The laptop stand for MacBook combines comfort, durability, and style.